You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another wig that I'm reviewing from Klaiyi hair. I'm just showing you guys the packaging and what you get inside. We're going to be putting this wig on straight out the box so you guys can see. That's going to be super easy. They sent over some nails, a wig cap, a wig band, and those little claw clips that I love. So we're just going to unpackage. This wig already came pre-cut and everything. It is a 20-inch Yaki wig. Yaki is my favorite texture right now. I just love how good it looks on me. Y'all gonna see. Well, you already saw, but it looks so good on me. So this is the construction of the wig. This is a 5x5 HD pre-cut Yaki straight wig, and then you get a clip in the back. And then you also have like the adjustable band and everything, and then the wig cap is breathable, so this is perfect for the summertime. The HD lace is thin and invisible. Oh, and also you have the ear area, so it's kind of like a C shape, so it goes around your ear, so you don't have to worry about your wig being uncomfortable or anything when you're wearing it. And then they sent over this adjustable band, which is removable, so if you don't want to wear it, you don't have to, but it is great so that your wig can be really tight, especially if you're going to wear it glueless. And I like how this one felt. It wasn't like too thick or anything. It was perfect and it was comfortable when I wore it. I'm just showing you guys up close of what the lace looks like before I tint it. I'm gonna go ahead and tint it so it can match my skin tone. I'm just applying my even lace spray in the deepest color, and then I'm just patting it in with my little brush. Now we're gonna put the wig on. I'm putting it on with the elastic band first. As y'all can see, like, that was so easy, wasn't it? It was easy, wasn't it? So now I'm just making my part exactly how I want it to be. I already had the part in there. I'm just deepening it a little bit more. I think wigs look a lot more natural when you have like the longer parting space. So now I'm going in with my wax stick, and I'm gonna go over that area with my hot comb so I can make sure that middle part is nice and smooth. Now I'm showing you guys another Now I'm showing y'all another view of the little C shape around the ear. It is super comfortable. As you can see, my ears are movable. I could put on glasses. It's very comfortable and I love that. So I could wear my wig all day and I won't be in pain or anything like that. Now I'm just going to go ahead and straighten the hair. Of course, the hair is already straight and I really didn't have to do too much, but since it was like in the packaging and everything, I'm just gonna make it straighter so I can get that body and that movement, and it could look nice and fresh.
Okay, y'all, so I'm just continuing to straighten the hair all over so it can have like the nice fresh look, but that's pretty much it. That's all the styling that I'm doing for this video. The wig pretty much came like done, so I don't have to do anything. It's already pre-cut. It already has the HD lace, which is perfect for all skin tones, and it's like really thin and invisible. I really like wearing it. The wig is nice and comfortable. I would definitely recommend, and y'all know how I feel about my Yaki hair. This is perfect. It has the natural look. It's super soft, and you can wear it on a daily basis. And then here's an up close of the lace and what it looks like. As y'all can see, it's just like really thin and really natural looking. It's not like too wiggy at all. It just looks really nice and natural. And I'm just going to show you guys that, of course, you can do like a side, you can do kind of like a little side part if you wanted to. So it'll look nice wherever you part the hair. It just looks really good. So I would definitely recommend this wig. Y'all gotta check it out. Y'all know I work with Klaiyi hair all the time, and their wigs are fire always. I'm never disappointed, and I really enjoy their Yaki texture. This is what the hair looks like from the back. As you can see, the hair is nice and thick, and it just looks good from the front and the back. So yeah, I would definitely recommend. If you like this wig or any other wig from Klaiyi hair, I'll have all the links and everything in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't stop on the trip.